Kailangan ba araw-araw mag-IF while in low carb? Pwede rin one day di mag-IF pero low carb pa rin. So, yung intermittent fasting po, let's talk about fasting. Fasting doesn't have to be very long. The premise of fasting is yung kanyang healing, right? Hindi lang naman kasi ang fasting for weight loss talaga, kundi for healing. Why do people like me who are in ideal body weight, bakit nagfa-fast pa rin kami? It's for healing. Prevention of disease, healing, memory loss prevention, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory. So ngayon, kailangan bang masyadong matagal ang fasting? Not necessarily. You can certainly just follow your circadian rhythm. So yun yung rhythm mo ng pagtulog sa gabi up until pagising sa umaga, right? So that can be your fasting time. So for example, ikaw ay kumain ng 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. ng gabi and the next meal can be, let's say, 10 a.m. brunch, 7 to 10. So that's gonna give you around 15 hours, right? Bakit pinopromote yung ganun? Dahil po, if you get into a longer fasting time compared dun sa eating window ninyo, then you heal your body more. As long as, for me, if you are maintaining na lamang at hindi mo naman na kailangan mag-reverse ng medical condition, hindi mo na kailangan magpapayat, then at least have a little bit longer fasting compared sa eating time mo. So let's say 13-11, ibig sabihin 13 hours kang fasting, so hindi ka kumakain, and 11 hours yung eating window mo. So how does that look like? So that can be 7 p.m. kunyari, yung huli mong meal sa gabi, all the way to 8 a.m. So that's already 13 hours, right? If you think about it, that's not too bad. 7 p.m., nag-stop kang kumain, tapos kumain ka the next day, 8 a.m. na. So that's 13 hours. Mas mahaba na ngayon yung fasting time mo kaysa dun sa eating window mo. Hindi ka na maglulose masyado ng weight kasi nga, tama lang siya, 13 hours. But at the same time, you give your body a longer time to heal kasi mas mahaba yung fasting time kaysa dun sa non-fasting time. So you can do it that way kasi really, the benefits of fasting is beyond weight loss po. Napakarami niyang benefits. I still advocate for fasting. You can do it at a shorter period of time, katulad nga nun, 13-11, which is still going to give you more benefits compared sa kung mas mahaba yung eating time kaysa sa non-fasting time. But at the same time, it's doable kasi kaya naman yun. Yung ganun po, na 7 p.m. to 8 a.m. Okay lang na hindi mag-fasting pero sayang yung benefits. That's my thought about fasting. I still promote it kahit na ideal weight ka na, ideal medical condition ka na, because it's very preventative. It will help prevent a lot of diseases in the long run. So, second investment sa health po ninyo.